Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great in your life. I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to unbox this BWOO car phone holder. You can see the front side of the box. The model number is ZJ130. Some of the specifications are written over here, and this is the side. It is the back side of the box, and you can read the specifications or the instructions that are written over here. And here how it's gonna look when you put that on the car dashboard. So let's quickly open the box. All right, let me open it. And all right, so here we have got the stuff that is in the box. And all right, there is nothing else in the box, so here it is. Let me put it out. So here it is, the car phone holder. Let's see how we can actually attach this. All right. Let's see how it will hold up a phone. So all right, let's see how it can hold the phone. And